A very bright morning to all my lovely children. So, here is another day to learn some more things. Recently, we had done the chapter Jojo's Pet. Do you remember the story? Jojo's Pet? Chapter number 5. I'm sure you know the story very well. So, today we are going to do the keywords from this chapter. Okay? We will do keywords chapter number 5. You have to do your work like this only. Write the chapter number at the top, then the name of the chapter, and then keywords. And don't forget to write the date over here. Whenever you do this, you must put date over here. Chapter 5, Jojo's Pet keywords. Number 1 is hopping. 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 Hopping means jumping. You know, jumping like this. Hopping. 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 Okay? This is called hopping. The next one is bushes. You write bush, B-U-S-H, bush, and es to make it plural. Bushes. Bushes. Now, what are the bushes? Small plants. Small plants like this in the chapter you can see. These are small plants. These are not trees. These are the bushes. So, bushes means small plants. Next one is hurt. H-U-R-T, hurt. Hurt means when you get hurt somewhere, like here you can see I got hurt on my finger. It came inside the door. So in the hinge of the door. So I got hurt here. So that is hurt. H-U-R-T, hurt. Next one is carried. C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. Carried means to take something with you. For example, if I take this box with me and if I take it to the other room, this means I'm carrying it. I'm carrying it. So this carried word is made from carry. Carried. Next one is basket. You know very well what is a basket. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Basket is like this. One Jojo is carrying with him. Next one is hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Hammer is a tool which is used to fix something, which is used to hit on the nails. You must have seen the carpenters when they make furnitures, the doors, the sofas, the beds, the tables. They use hammer and they hit hammer over the nails. We call hathodi in Hindi. Hammer and nails, N-A-I-L-S, nails. They hit over the nails with the hammer to fix or to join something. Okay, there is one other meaning of the nails, that is the nails over your hand tips. These are the nails. Okay, but this is another word, nails. The spellings are same but the meanings are different. Next one is insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Insects are the small creatures which crawl on the floor like cockroaches, worms, ants. These all are insects. Okay. Next one is better. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. Better means becoming good. Like the bird's wing, it started becoming better. Naughty. N-A, this is A. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Naughty means the one who is very clever and who troubles. Naughty. You need to learn these spellings like this only. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Leave, L-E-A-V-E, leave. When you are going somewhere, like when you come to the school, you leave your home. Leave. To go somewhere. Stuck. S-T-U-C-K, stuck. Stuck means when something is stuck inside. See now, this is a stick. You can see this is the stick. It is stuck inside the stapler. It is stuck. For example, the Jojo's top, it was stuck inside the boot. First jana, stuck. The next one is flapped. 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 Flap means to move like this. Flap karna. The birds flap their wings, which is called to flap. Flapped. Picked. Picked means to again carry something, to take up something. Picked. Picked. Learned. To learn something. Learn. Learn. Learned. Like right now you are learning the keywords to gain knowledge. Learned. Laughed. The last one is laughed. 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 To smile, to giggle. You have already learned this word, laughed. Okay, so let's quickly read out: hopping, bushes, hurt, carrot, basket, hammer, nails, insects. Better, naughty, leave, stuck, flapped, picked, learned, laughed. Try to read the words in a flow, fastly. Okay, now after writing the words, we will move on to the framing of sentences. You have already learned how to frame sentences. For example, what you have to do, you have to choose any 5 words out of these 16 words. Choose any 5 words and then frame sentences on those words. For example, I chose these 2 words, basket and hammer. What sentence you can make from basket? Now, whatever sentence you create, that word should be the part of that sentence. For example, for basket, we can make the sentence, I have a beautiful basket. The next one is hammer. The hammer is on the table. This is the easiest one. You can also make sentence like, the carpenter uses hammer to make furniture. Like, right? Or for basket, you can make sentence, I always carry a basket when I go to the market. Right? So now what you have to do, I have made 2 sentences for you. Other 3 sentences you will make on your own. Select any 3 words out of these keywords and frame the sentences. Okay? That's all for today. Bye-bye. Send your work. Do your work in the notebook and send it positively. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Take care.